Welcome to the channel. Today we'll guide you how to change the DNS server in Google Chrome. If your internet speed is slow, you might want to switch to a different DNS server. So this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. To do this in Chrome, first click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll all the way down and go to settings. Click on privacy and security from the left side menu, then scroll down a bit and click on security. Scroll down again and to the use secure DNS option and make sure it's turned on. Then click on select DNS provider to change to your preferred DNS address. I personally like using Cloudflare 1.1.1, but you can also use Google Public DNS server if you prefer. And if you want to use your own custom DNS, you can always click on the add custom DNS option. And that's it, guys, and that's how you can easily change your DNS server on Google Chrome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys.